Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and healthy yogurt and fruit parfait. Did you read The Very Hungry Caterpillar yet? Well, in the book, the caterpillar eats and grows into a beautiful butterfly. Just like the caterpillar, we also need to eat lots of healthy food to grow big and tall. So today, let's have some fun while making this healthy snack. First, we'll add some plain yogurt. Then we'll add some granola. Now I'm going to add some blackberries. And bright yellow pineapples. Now it's time for red raspberries. Gonna add a little bit more granola for some crunch. A little bit more yogurt. And I'm gonna sprinkle chia seeds. Next is green kiwi. Now I'm going to add some blueberries. I'm going to add some raspberry jam to my yogurt and mix. Then I'm going to add this on top. And add some more granola. I love peanut butter, so I'm going to add a dollop of peanut butter. And there you go! Hope you enjoy this colorful, healthy snack. See you next time! Bye!